If you're on Social Security disability for 2 years, you automatically get enrolled into Medicare A and B. And for some people, that's very convenient and they're very happy. Those 2 years were tough trying to cover their health insurance on their own. For other people, they were on their spouse's work insurance, which they loved, which was good insurance, and they don't want Medicare. So if you're in that camp, be sure to notify the Social Security Administration not to enroll you in Medicare. Because if they do, and you get that where, hey, we've already taken the money out of your Social Security, they're not going to give it back to you. You have to be proactive. So the people that know they won't want Medicare after 2 years, get on that one. For the rest of you that desperately want Medicare after the 2-year mark on disability, in most cases, it's going to be a letdown because if you know anything about Medicare insurance, you know you want a Medicare Supplement Plan G. You can go to any doctor. You can go to any hospital. You don't have the red tape of requiring prior authorizations where your doctor has to ask the insurance company for approval for you to get a treatment. So with a Medicare Supplement Plan G, I call that Cadillac insurance, you typically have to be age 65. So if you're on Social Security disability under 65, you could be in your 40s, right? 40s, 50s, under 65, and you want a Plan G. Most states do not require insurance companies to force them to sell a Medicare Supplement Plan G for people under 65. There are a few that do, like New York and Florida, there's a couple. But just because they make them offer you a Medicare Supplement plan, it might be at Plan A. It's kind of useless. Very few make them offer you every plan, which is you want a Plan G. So in a couple states where you actually could get a Plan G and be under 65 on Social Security disability, it is extremely expensive. And I haven't done one recently, but last year I did a quote for someone in disability, and we say, well, how much would a Plan G cost in Miami? And it was about $900 a month. Now, if you were 65, it was going to be under $200 a month. Big difference. And then I just said, well, let's check Northern Florida. So I checked Tampa. Tampa was only $600 a month. Only, not many people can afford $600 a month when they're disabled on top of their drug plan, right? So for most people, Medicare Advantage is going to be the answer. Do you wait your 2 years on disability and you get Medicare? In most cases, you're going to enroll into a Medicare Advantage PPO or an HMO plan. And you might be like, I don't really want a Medicare Advantage. That's okay. That's in most states, that's your only option, and you do want it. It's going to give you better coverage, more limit to your financial risk than if you only had government Medicare A and B. So while it's not where I want you, it's a good first step. Now, this is a thing that most people mess up. When you do later turn 65, even though maybe you've been on Medicare for 20 years, when you turn 65, it's like you were turning 65 for the first time. It's like everybody else that turned 65. The first time, you can get any Medicare supplement plan from any company, regardless of your health. So even if you have a very debilitating disability and you've been on Medicare for years, you come in brand new, you get a do-over. But most people on disability don't know this. They think nothing changes at 65 because nothing changes with their Social Security disability. They don't get more money. Nothing happens. With your Social Security disability payment at your full retirement age, which is not 65, at your full retirement age, they decide you're no longer disabled. You're just on regular Social Security retirement. Your amount doesn't change, but you no longer have to have reviews of your disability. You don't have an income limit on how much you can make. So as far as Social Security, that changes at your full retirement age. But at 65, Medicare gives you a brand new entry. It's called your initial election period. Your IEP, you get a second one since you've been on disability. Don't waste it. The majority of people are unaware that it exists. So if you're on disability, if you have a family member or a friend on Social Security disability, please share this video so they can keep it in the back of their head. Call the Medicare Family 3 months before age 65. We'll walk you through what plans are available in your zip code, give you recommendations, and help you enroll. And it's all free. Our services are free. We're independent contractors for dozens and dozens of insurance companies. We're not affiliated with the government. We are a family company, hence the name, themedicarefamily.com. If you found something interesting in this video, please hit the follow button, and thanks for watching.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.